This is the Computer Programming University. In a recent video, I showed you how to hack into Chrome. This episode, hacking into a corporation in less than 30 seconds. You will not want to miss out on this one. Stay tuned.
Step 1. Spoof his number so it looks like he's calling from inside the company, and then call tech support.
Hello, you there? Hello?
Hi, this is Ken. How may I help you?
I was wondering if you can take a look at a website.
Step 1. Spoof his number so it looks like he's calling from inside the company, and then call tech support.
Hello, you there? Hello?
Hi, this is Ken. How may I help you?
I was wondering if you can take a look at a website I'm trying to get to. It's for a big customer thing I'm working on for Monday, and I can't seem to get to the website from my computer.
Sure. What's the website? I'll see if I can get to it.
Thanks, man. I really appreciate the help. I mean, it could be a stupid thing. I'm really stuck with computers, but so it's www.survey. That's S-U-R.
He sent him an email, and in that email, there's a link to click on. And of course, this moron actually clicked on the link. Now, by clicking on the link in the email, he actually gave the hacker access to his computer. So let me make sure you guys understand this. So this is an IT person, right? He's supposed to know about computers and security and viruses and all that kind of stuff, right? He is taking a call from a guy who he thinks is one of the people he's supposed to support, but it's actually a hacker. So a hacker calls this IT guy, he spoofs his phone number, so his phone number looks like it's an internal phone number. He says, "Hey, I can't access the website, can you help me, buddy?" So this idiot IT guy just believes everything he says and goes to the website that he gives him and clicks on the link. By clicking on the link, he's giving him access to his computer. Now, being that he's an IT person, odds are his account has special privileges on the network. So by hacking into his computer, what else does this hacker now have access to? The company's servers, records, databases, who knows what. However, the question of the day is, was this an innocent mistake? Remember, the hacker spoofed the phone number. So to the IT person, it looks like an internal phone call. So should he be using the fact that the number is internal as a form of authentication? Or does he need to ask who the person is? Who is this? Which department are you calling from? And even if he does that, and actually that's pretty good, because in order for you to have names of people in the company, that's a whole another level of security, because he'd have to somehow have hacked in some other way to know who even works in the company. I mean, maybe you can get some names from the website and things like that, but that's getting a little bit more tricky, making it a little bit more difficult, at least if you require the person to give you their name. And then if he gives you their name, then it's like maybe you can also authenticate by the phone number, because if they say they're such and such, the phone should show their name. As a matter of fact, generally speaking, when someone calls internally in a company, it shouldn't just say an internal number, it should say somebody's name on it. So I don't know if this guy was able to hack someone's name on it, or it's just a number that looks like a similar number. I think as an IT person, any kind of strange numbers should be like a red flag. Someone calls you and you don't see the person's name on there, when you know that's pretty much how the system works. Someone calls, you see their name on there, automatically it's like, okay, red flag, what is this about? Ask a lot of questions. This guy didn't really ask a lot of questions. So I don't know, what do you guys think? Was an honest mistake? I mean, I'm hard. I can be hard on IT people today, because I don't know. It's IT is a lot different than it used to be, and some of the people I see in IT departments, yeah. Anyway, let's watch the rest of this.
By clicking that link, he's just given David full access to his computer.
Whoa, okay, that's weird. I just hit it and it works. It seems like it's working fine now. Awesome. I don't know what you did, man, but I really appreciate the help.
Hey, no problem. That was easy.
That was it?
We're on this computer right now.
You were able to take over this.
That's pretty insane. So this guy pretty much hacks into this computer in about 30 seconds. The main thing he had to do was spoof the phone number. Beyond that, simple calling up, "Hey, I can't access the website, can you try it?" And he gives him the web link and he goes, no questions asked. He doesn't ask who he is, which department. This guy was just like, "Oh, it's an internal number, let me just, One thing I have to say before you guys start your comments. If you're an IT person, don't just think about, this kind of stuff is stuff in the movies and stuff on the news. This really happens. Intrusions really happen. I've seen it personally many times throughout my career. And you need to wake up. Right now, there's probably tons of attempts to hack into your network via different types of means. There are all kinds of people that are trying to intrude on your network, and it's your job to secure your network and keep people out of there. At least it should not be that easy. That's my thoughts. Anyway, this is the Computer Programming University, where learning should always be fun, and remember to always smile. I'm doing a Python training series teaching you how to do Python. I'm also doing a Unix training series and also SQL. I have the top rated SQL series right now in the world, and as with the new tradition on this channel, after every video I'm supposed to sing a song. So let's get a song to sing. If you'd like to request me to sing a song, go ahead and comment below and let me know. You have to be a subscriber and you have to be a top supporter. So you're liking videos, you're commenting a lot, and if you fall into that group, you can definitely request a song for me to sing. Anyway, let's get to it. Ba-dum, bum, bum.
Are your HIV
Oh! What are those? Oh my goodness, the ad. I hate this unsolicited ads messing up my video. Anyway, that was not supposed to happen. Anyway, but get this ad out of my screen, blocking my lyrics. Anyway, boom, boom, boom. I saw this kid, it was just the other day, hacking on a server where I used to play. Looks like him, and I guess he came back. Everybody knows he's a cheating little hacker. I guess I'll try and see if I can beat him, but I don't know, cause he's a really cheating. I'll set him on fire, that will make him real hot, then I'll hit him with all I got. But he just won't die, he just won't die. I keep on hitting him and he won't die. I ain't no lie, it makes me cry. He's such a hacker and he just won't die. Hacker! Hacker! Okay, who wrote this song? This is Computer Programming University, and I'm out.